lamps are really, really elegant. Really, really elegant. And they have a dual function. Of course, a regular lamp. But also, if you hit this, it turns on the lava lamp inside the lamp. Now, if you do it again, it's really elegant light, right? You can turn on just the lava lamp, and that way it serves like a night light, you know, not bright enough to bother you. The longer you turn on the lava lamp, the more motion you're going to see inside the lava, because the warm is what activates the movement. Super elegant, super beautiful.